Alan Stewart on stage. Give him a round of applause. He's all the way from Dublin. Woo! Hi. 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 So I just got here. And I'm here now. And there you are. And you're looking at me. And here I am. Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Good night. Hey. Okay. And we got a Fionn Cullen, scientist extraordinaire. Okay. Also Irish.
Hello, gentlemen. I am going to talk to you about the structure of the universe. It is fascinating, loquacious, elaborate, bona fide perfection. It is a miraculous universe, and our Earth is here to tell us all about it.
Woo!
I'm
Yeah!
here to tell you about the Earth in which we live in.
Woo!
It is adversely, sporadically entertaining. It is jovial.
I'm entertained.
adventurous.
I am entertained.
Thank you. It is awe-inspiring, delicious.
I'm in awe. And it tastes good.
Good. It's exotic. It's passionate. It's perfection.
Yeah, Coco Jumbo.
It's tailor-made for the world we live in. It's the world we live in.
The universe is tailor-made.
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing? The universe is tailor-made for us.
No way.
Yeah. The elements just aligned perfectly. So it enabled us to be alive and kicking with the elements that were given to us. So the elements at a particular space and time within the universe's time frame clicked in to make us have this chance to shine bright.
What a chance.
Yes. And exude passion and brilliance.
You're so passionate. Now, just wait there on stage for a moment there, Fionn, because we got a few questions for you about your. We're all very impressed and deeply moved by what you just shared your research there for the first time with us today. So we thought maybe we could start with this idea, tailor-made. You said the universe is tailor-made. I find that idea totally fascinating.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you?
Absolutely.
Yeah, but
amazing.
If it's
The
tailor-made,
probability of circumstances to come to this point in time is almost nil. It's very, very sparse.
right,
Probability.
right. And so if it's tailor-made, could you tell me who made it for us?
A particular alignment of chemicals, elements aligned to produce this specific combination of elements that can enable us to proliferate.
Right, okay, so basically what you're saying is the tailor of the universe, or God, is actually just a bunch of chemicals thrown together.
Pretty much. That's exactly the best way to describe it.
Is that what some people refer to as the Higgs boson?
The Higgs boson would refer to a capture mechanism at the periphery of a black hole, which enables light to extend away from it and connect to an oblique observer, which is producing a connection between light and the specific element that you're referring to.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Spinning quasars, for example, are light connectors to Higgs bosons at the edge periphery of supermassive black holes. Yes.
Now, scientist. If you mind if I call you scientist?
No, please.
Or doctor? Dr. Cullen?
Professor Cullen.
Professor Cullen.
Preferable.
I apologize.
No, that's good. Continue, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, they say that man is made in the image of God. Does that mean that man has the Higgs boson in the center of his brain?
Those who refer as a universe within their mind would be confused in the fact that we are living in the state of being in the universe. So it doesn't make sense geochemically. It makes sense in a existential manner, but not in a scientific manner. If you refer to yourself As in, matter of fact, though, it is you that is here right now. Well, yeah, you are the entire universe because how can anything else be occurring? So, yes, in fact, you are the universe, but only in reference to yourself at any particular point.
Only in reference to myself.
Well, it's...
Are you talking about Einstein's theory of relativity?
Einstein's theory of relativity referring to is general relativity and special relativity, which can combine to create a morphing or a change of attitude in day-to-day life.
Speak up, Ben. Speaking of the microphone, please.
It's a very complex connection. It's a very complex hive of how people react and interact and invert and then revert and then go back again. It's based upon special relativity and general relativity combination.
That is fascinating. Yeah. And I'm so entertained by what you just said.
Thank you.
It really entertains me.
Please.
Are you guys entertained? Yeah, you're entertained.
Thank you.
Yeah, woo! Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so special relativity.
This relates to how it's how light you cannot move at the speed of light because mass acts as the same state as light.
But don't our minds move at the speed of light?
Our minds can translocate to a particular point in time, and so you can go to your side of the universe, but you can transfer everything else around you, but you cannot transfer yourself. So I might be in Tasmania talking to a person in England, for example, but I'm going to say Ireland, excuse me. You could be in Tasmania talking to, you can transfer the entire state of matter around you from Tasmania to Ireland.
So are you referring to what Sam Neill, the actor, said, that we can fold space?
Yeah, you can fold space and you can truncate the other side of that singularity by transferring all the entire matter, but you can't literally travel at that speed, but you can transfer all the matter that's around it and reorganize the scenario that occurs in.
Reorganize the scenario? Like for example, if you
you
stood over here and I stood over here,
yeah,
would that be kind of
that
like
would be
that,
a translocation,
kind of
but the spinning a spinning quasar would cause light and discomfort for a particular human somewhere in the mid-tropics.
What?
So I just translocated there, but the spinning quasar would be emitting light and particles and paramagnetic waves, which would create a discomfort per person in the mid latitudes, because perhaps the photon interaction and piezoelectric effect is not occurring, is not emanating perfectly in our specific point in time. So it's...
I have no idea what you just said.
Okay, well, I've got papers on it.
Could you say that in English, please?
Okay, so I just translocated to the other side of the world, okay? So now I'm talking to you from Tasmania.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Now, this particular position is correct for a person in the northern hemisphere when I'm in Tasmania. However, if I go over here and you go over here, and I observe that the light is wrong over here, then a person in the mid-tropics might feel a discomfort, because we're supposedly connected by telekinetic waves.
Well, that might make sense because people talk about the collective unconscious, where you might actually be thinking something that someone else is thinking somewhere else on the other side of the world.
Yeah.
You know? And that apparently that has been studied. Like scientists have studied that apparently.
Absolutely. I know I saw an article on it today.
Whoa.
Well, I saw an article on it today, and it's interesting. Sometimes I go on Facebook and I notice there's a person in Brazil looking at my page. It may only be a subliminal interaction with me. They might not even be thinking about me. It's probably the collective unconscious, very deep in your subconscious liminal mind.
Right.
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 I'll try not being accents. Really?
That sounds Irish.
Yeah, I know.
Are you going to watch the New Zealand game next week in Chicago, by the way? Ireland are coming to Chicago, their hometown, obviously.
Well, we moved in a fashion that creates a nice, comfortable position for it. Well, then I'll probably watch the motion interactions occurring. So when the ball is passed, I'll see if it's a corresponding touch with the hands to to the other person's hands, and a kick to downfield, apprehending what's about to occur. I have a code connected to empathy, apprehension, correspondence, hesitancy. And I have a full catalog of that, which I'm going to release. It's short, yes. I can't wait.
Well, I'm excited as much as you, if not even more so.
Thank you. It's going to be a wonderful experience for all spectators.
Wow,
man, wow.
Yeah, right. I mean,
yeah.
We're
just gonna be groundbreaking scientists while these dudes are running around, and we're gonna smash it out of the park and watch it.
It's going to change the world, and I'm happy to be on that journey with you.
Thank
you. You know, even if on the sideline, but you know, I'm privileged enough that I get to talk to the professor on stage, which boosts my career.
Exactly, sir. I'm sure your count has gone up, and
it's going up as we speak.
True. Your hits on all your platforms are skyrocketing.
Yeah, and that's kind of the point at the end of the day, isn't it? I mean, like you got to do what you're good at, and when you do what you're good at, your account goes up.
That'd be right.
Yeah. I mean, let's celebrate. We should do cocktails and celebrate together. You want to have a cocktail party?
I'll take that with a pinch of salt.
I'd buy that for $1. Oh, the Professor Cullen, everybody! Thank you. Way, woo. So make audience sound effects. All right. Well, that
wrapped up one episode.
That didn't answer a single question for me about the universe, but okay.